Hello, welcome back. Welcome to the Maths Magic Show. I'm Jason Davison and we're filming here fresh from the kitchen once again. To do this trick, you're going to need a calculator. If you want to produce a calculator magically, you need to take one of these. Oh yes, and you need to take one of these, and if you do this, you get a dove. That's not right. Okay, fantastic. This is much better. You need a calculator. Okay, I need you to pick a 3-digit number. You can type in any 3-digit number you like. It could be this, or it could be this, or it could be this. But make sure it's your 3-digit number. What I'd like you to do now is type that 3-digit number in again, so you have the same 3 digits repeated. So now, for example, you might have something like this. I'm going to try and make some predictions about your number without even knowing who you are or what number you've picked. I'm going to look into your eyes now, and I think you probably picked a number in the 7 times table. Now, if it is in the 7 times table, you should be able to divide it by 7 and you'll get a nice whole number at the end. So if you do that now, if you press divide 7 equals, you should get a nice whole number on your screen. Isn't that strange? How did I know? Keep that number on your screen for the next test, because I think, looking into your eyes now, you also picked a number in the 11 times table. The 11 times table. Well, we're going to check that. So if you now press again, divide 11 equals, you should get a nice whole number again. Isn't that weird? How did I know? Keep that number on your screen. We've got one more prediction, because I think you also picked a number in the 13 times table. Now let's test that one. If you press divide 13 equals, you should get a nice whole number again, but you should recognize that number. It should be the number you started with. Isn't that strange? Magical. How did it work? Let's have a look. Now there's something very special about the numbers 7, 11 and 13. The numbers I asked you to divide by. If you multiply them together, you actually get 1001. And what you will find if you try it on your calculator now, any 3-digit number multiplied by 1001 will write it twice. I wonder if you can work out why. Secretly then, when I asked you at the beginning to type your 3-digit number in twice, secretly I was getting you to multiply it by 1001. So actually at the end, when you had your 3-digit number and I got you to divide by 7, divide by 11, divide by 13, all together I was getting you to divide by 1001, which would go back to what it would be if you would just write it once. That is how this trick works. These use 7, 11 and 13. These are the prime factors of 1001. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next month.